To my dearest wife, Ferlene, believe me when I say na naaalala ko pa clearly how I first saw you. It was Humanities 125. You came in late, wearing your striped sweater. Your long curly hair was parted sa right side. Naka-glasses ka na black and naka-red na lipstick. It was clear in my mind because at that moment, I think I saw the love of my life.
Alpha! 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 Sit ka! Ayan!
Oo. Kasal na yung parents niya.
Nakasal na yun.
Uy, wag mo ako kanyang. Oo. Okay lang. Kinakabahan. Kaya na umaga pa ako kinakabahan. Kasi parang nung morning umuulan. Tapos wala kaming backup eh. Pero sana hindi naman umulan.
Oo nga po. Sana. Unang-una, gusto kong magpasalamat sa tapang mo na ligawan ako 7 years ago. I would have never guessed na ikaw ang magiging asawa ko.
Brevin and Ferlene, I salute you for your courage to submit your love for each other to God.
Today, this day is one of my dreams. Thank you for being the source of my happiness, my strength, my inspiration, literally my everything.
Today, we are getting married, and honestly, I wouldn't have it any other way. Maraming salamat sa 7 taong puno ng pagmamahal, pag-intindi at walang sawang pagpapatawad. Alam ko na hindi ako laging madaling mahalin. Kaya, thank you for loving me. Not just on my... Not just on my good days, but even more on the difficult ones. Thank you for your patience and unending support, especially when it comes to helping me pursue and achieve my dreams.
In the name of God, I, Brevin, take you, Ferlene, to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better and for worse,
For richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until we are parted by death.
Watching you walk down the aisles was a dream come true. I'm so proud of you. Yaman and congratulations.
Hindi ko man madalas sabihin, but know that I appreciate you so much and all the things you do for me and for our children, Alpha and Pilipin. I love you, Brev, always. Yours forever, for you.
Show us the sign of your love for each other. One more round of applause.
Si Papa, mas mabilis kong utos. My dearest wife, Ferlin, I love you dearly and will always do forever. Ikaw at ako tayong dalawa habang buhay. Always and forever yours, Brel.
Let us all welcome our lovely couple. Everybody joining our hands together. Mr. and Mrs. Brevin and Ferlin Cantanes!
Wala na yung kaba ko. Masaya na ako.
Finally!